Blinds are not only functional, they also add a decorative purpose to any room within your house. Now, Builders Warehouse has a huge variety of blinds to choose from. They are already made, different widths and drops as well available to you. I'm going to dress this window in this kitchen with 2 zebra roller blinds. Let me show you how to do it. So the only tools you require to complete this task is a tape measure, pencil, hammer, drill and 5mm drill bit, as well as a screwdriver. And because the window is 2.4 meters wide, I've chosen 2 1.2 meter roller blinds. So what we need to do is drill 3 holes per drop and install the brackets. And those brackets will hold up the blinds. You'll install it 10 centimeters from the wall at either end. Add a center point as well. Remember, the rule of thumb is measure twice, drill once. Here we go. And there you have it. Get to Builders, get it done.
For more tips and information, visit our website, our social media links, or check out our YouTube channel.